In this video today, I will show you how to make a TikTok video with pictures and music. So to do this, what you have to do is just open your TikTok app on your phone. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you can see right here, this plus icon right here, click on it to continue. So when done, the next thing for you to do is just to click on this image right here to continue. Then you can then select the images which you want to use. So to select multiple images, just come at the bottom right, as you can see, click on it and select multiple images. Then you can then select the images which you want to use. As you can see right here, I've selected 4 images. If you have other images below right here, you can scroll down and select those images. So when done, click on next to continue. So as you can see, here is the picture right here. But if you want to change this style, as you can see, this style is just a straightforward style. You can just come right here and click on video preset. Let's scroll right here. You see this different template right here. You can then click on video template right here. So right now, as you can see, there are different templates right here. You can then select any one of your choice. As you can see, here is one right here. So let's use this one right here. So if you want to add sound to it, just click on add sound. Then you can select any sound of your choice. As you can see, there are different sounds. If you know the sound you want is not here, just click on search right here and select any sound of your choice. So when done, you can then click on next, then add the description and everything, then you post it to your TikTok page. So that's how to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.